Hey guys, welcome to part 2 of my August 2022 with my children being sick, and I did the cleaning. As you know, there's been a lot of sleepless night after that, so a good 5-6 day I didn't really record much and I just kind of focused on my children. So I got done shopping at H-Mart. Definitely a much better store. There's a lot of things on sale, but I think that's because it's newly open. I don't know how long that's gonna go for. Parking situation is a little bit hectic because, I don't know, I just feel like people here don't park well, and I walked out and there's a ding in my car already, and I'm pretty sure it's because of the cart. So that kind of ruined my day. Kaylee, đi đâu đó? Where are you going? Kaylee. Hi. Did she forget to say hi to you? Do you feel sad? Huh? You have 2 packages. Aren't we sad, Kaylee? Nothing for us today. No? You're gonna leave me too? You're just gonna walk away from me? Hey! Oh! You learned anything from that fall? Don't do it again. You found a toy, didn't you?
You just woke up? Huh?
Yeah, and I fell off a chair.
Oh, you fell off a chair. Come here, you want to get up and walk?
She's like, no energy. You can't hold out your hand for me and then leave me. Thank you for helping me up.
Oh, good job. Good job.
One.
Oh,
No, come on, you can do like the team. She's like, that's why she started running, because she thinks you're gonna walk away from her.
Come on, come on.
1, 2. Come on, next step. 2, 3. Come on, you know how. She's gonna start running. She's like, no. You're forcing me to walk all day. We went there for the first time like last week.
I'm still opening the pack.
They have a new new items, and they. Right now we are on route to the restaurant. I'm so excited to check this place out.
Anytime they hear lockdown in China, all the Chinese stocks go along with it.
I don't know, I'm gonna be able to record the details of my outfits as well as my hair and stuff, you guys, but maybe I'll wear it again and record for you guys. Okay, so now
That's a
we're
very
on
dangerous
route to
game.
the first bar. I've never been here. My sister wanted to go here, and anywhere that I really recommend is good. So good. It's a little bit of clip for me. Okay. Yes. I'll do. He's gonna get a spicy margarita for sure with a little bit of salt. And I don't know, like. I don't get to go out with you guys.
It's recording. Okay, not yet. Okay, go.
can't even. I can't even. Because the dinner is gonna make you full.
What was ordered so far?
Does it feel nice, honey?
Yeah. That's the place I wanted to go to. Actually, closer than what I thought. This was the place. Yeah, it's been quite fun. I like it. Oh yeah.
Okay. The second one, Lily.
Get yourself together. Cheers.
I haven't ate anything all day. Because the guys are talking apparently. It's okay to drink. They don't want to consult their wife. They just order again. I want to punch mine in the face too. Chris and I had a really busy schedule, so neither one of us ate, and I think we both drank too much. However, I held my liquor and he couldn't because tequila is definitely his weak spot, so he got too drunk. David had to drive him home, and me and Lily are having dinner at this wonderful and yummy restaurant. When we got here, I got it. And what are we gonna do? And a side You can drink like us. None.
Really? That's pathetic. Because we'll eat both of their meals. I don't care.
Hush puppy, he calls it.
David's got him. He's gonna.
I can't even say I can't. The guys are too drunk to be here. For me. Oh my goodness. More for us. We'll just record and we'll switch. The carpaccio,
The heirloom tomatoes.
let's like dig into it.
Yeah. Okay, not with a spoon.
Yeah.
Oh, that's fucking good. Get in there.
This is where it's snapper.
Yeah, this is the snapper. Alright. Thank you. That's the snapper, bitch. On my side. And this is the corn capellini.
Try it.
Ooh, look at this.
There's
melting
peaches in there.
fish.
Oh my Vietnamese catfish. And the lamb. It doesn't look that good. Nope, you eat it.
That's good.
Mang, mang. I forgot to record the last one, you guys. I'm sorry. But so Chris is with his friend and they're go-karting, and I'm really happy that these came today and not while he's home, because I literally just promised him I wouldn't go shopping anymore, but obviously I lied. Anyways, really happy he's not here, so now I got all this time to just enjoy and unbox and whatever. Mama shark do 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 do. Mommy shark do do. Ôi ôi, even baby shark can't make you happy. Và đây chuông. Oh my goodness.
This is drama. Come on.
Celebrating his birthday together. I'm so glad I saw my client before seeing my child because it's always a tear bath, and I would have hated seeing my client like this. So I'm glad I got everything done today, rented out another unit, did all the grocery shopping. Now I can just get on with my daily chores. What got you so excited, huh? What's got you so excited? Let go and you jump. You what you got there? Có cái gì đó? Uh-oh. Here you go. So today I'm doing a showing for Silly to Geneva number 2. So when we walk in, we do have a nice foyer area. And here's the first bedroom. Hi, I'm here. Oh, there's a fridge. What kind of deep freezer look like this? Okay. Great. Hey there, I am at 12 East Street, number 1, and right now the tenant just moved out, so the apartment is in bad condition. Today I want to do a walkthrough just so you can kind of see the space you're working at. Honestly, I feel like when you're super busy with life, every day goes by so quickly that you blink and it's the end of the month. It's one showing after the next, one client after the next, one chores after the next, one project after the next, and like that, the whole year is over. And your children just grow right before your eyes. But that's the update for 12 East Street, number 1. And when I'm not working and being a mom, I'm out and about double dating with my sister and her fiance. Nhìn đẹp thế mà gãy một ngón tay không đi sửa được. In our family, we do not believe in birthday, we believe in birth month. We celebrate the whole month. So again, tonight we're celebrating Chris' birthday. Again. I want to talk about this next restaurant. This restaurant is Nautilus. This is an amazing gem that Lily and David found. We have been here before. This is like our 4th or 5th time as double dating. The food here, the menu continuously change. Service amazing, drink amazing, food amazing, and very, very affordable. However, if you are a Boston native, please just Uber because parking is ridiculous down here, especially in the weekend.
Really? If we're gonna use the ribeye, I want to like very light with that. So this is the Coco Loco whatever. Anything we get started with? Yeah. It's like really good. It's coconut.
My busy and super hectic schedule, the only time I actually can create content for Instagram is when I'm out and about with Lily and David, because Lily usually film a lot of my content, so I flip-flop and do the same for her. We actually don't always post on time, especially Lily, but me, with after every date, I usually do try my best to edit and post it on Instagram, so I'm much more active on Instagram. If you haven't checked out my Instagram, do follow me on Instagram. I do post a lot of story as well as a lot of reel, because I feel like creating a few-minute video is super easier than curating or just compiling and sitting down and actually edit these longer videos for YouTube. But I promise starting next year there'll be a lot more fashion videos that I'm going to pull from Instagram to here, because I've gotten so much better at it. Here's a thought that really helped me get up and dress and look my best every day, because every time I get dressed, I remember that if I die, that is my forever ghost outfit. So I always put a little more effort into the way I look every day, not just on a date, but anytime I'm out and about. I hope this vlog was enjoyable to watch, and I will see you in the next vlog. Thank you so much for being a subscriber. If you haven't yet subscribed, do subscribe, and I will see you in part 3.